Algebra proof. As has cos to the 6 cosec to the 6 cot to the 6 cos square whole cube, cot square whole cube. A cube minus b cube. Cos square a minus cot square a whole cube plus 3 cos square a cot square a into cos square minus cot square a. Therefore, cos square a minus cot square is equal to 1. 1 whole cube 2 cos square a plus cot square into 1. 3 1 plus 3 cosec a cot square a. R says proved was this started from only and realize this. All your progressive minus will I must be grateful to you if you subscribe me. Please recognize me as a science teacher and